One more means of irrigation is wells and tube wells. In villages, people dig a well to draw the underground water to the surface. The water is drawn out using a water wheel, which is also known as the Persian wheel. This water is used for household activities and to irrigate field. When the underground water is very deep, holes are bored with drilling machines. Pipes are put into those bores. Water is brought up with the help of electric pump. Such wells are called as tube wells. Tube wells are widely used in the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat for the irrigation. See, one more means of irrigation system is wells and tube. In village, no, people dig wells to draw the water from the underground surface. Okay, that water drawn out by using the they use the water wheel to draw the water to the surface. That is known as Persian wheel. That whatever that underground water drawn by them by the using a wheel, no, that is used for the household activities and for the irrigation purposes. Okay, when the underground water is very deep, no, that holes are bored with drilling machines and pipes are put inside the inside those bores, and water is brought up with the help of electric pump, with the help of an electric pump. Okay, such wells are called as tube wells. You may heard that tube wells. That tube wells are widely popular in the state of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. They use this method for the irrigation purposes in these states. Okay, tanks. In the southern plateau, it is difficult to dig the ground because the land surface has hard rock. Therefore, people collect water in tanks and ponds during the rainy season. The water so collected is used for the irrigation purposes. Tanks are commonly used in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In towns and cities, water is supplied to houses through taps and pipelines. In villages, people get water from the well or tank. So one more one more means of irrigation is that tanks. In the southern plateau, no, plateaus are covered with hard rocks, isn't it? So it is very difficult to dig so it is very difficult to dig the ground. Therefore, the people, what they will do, they collect the water in the tanks and ponds during the rainy season, and whatever they collected water, no, they use for the irrigation purposes. Tanks are commonly used in Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. In towns, no, that in towns and cities, water is supplied to the houses through the taps and pipelines. In a village only, people get water from the well or by they keep the tanks. Next next means of irrigation is dams. A strong wall is built across a river to hold back the flow of water. Such a wall is called a dam. These walls have a special gates called sluice gates, which can be opened and closed to control the flow of water. Water is stored in a reservoir, artificial lake behind the dam. Canals are dug to take this stored water to the fields for the irrigation. Next means of irrigation system is dams. The dams means what? A strong wall is built across the river to hold back the flow of the water. Such wall is called as dam. These walls have special gates, that is called as sluice gates. Okay, which can be opened and can be closed to control the flow of water. Water is stored in reservoir, that is a artificial lake behind the dam. Canals are dug to take this stored water to the fields for the whatever that they store the water in the dam, no, it can be taken to the field for the irrigation purpose by canals. Okay, Next, uses of dams. Dams are used for producing electricity. In a dam, water is made to fall from a great height. The force of falling water is used for generating electricity. This type of electricity is called hydroelectricity or tidal power. Dams help in fish breeding. Dams are an ideal place for fishing. Dams help to control floods also. What are the uses of dams? Dams are used for producing the electricity. How to produce the electricity? That water is whatever the water will be there in the dam, no, that are made to fall from the great height, and the force of the falling water, no, is used for the generating of the electricity. That is called as hydroelectricity or tidal power. And next use of dam is dams help in fish breeding. Dams are an ideal place for the fishing. Dam help to control the floods also, isn't it?